What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Hyundai Nexo smart key remote fob. This Hyundai Nexo key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we hold our fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, this is the slot right here that this emergency key slid out of. What I'm going to do is take my key and put just the end of it in there. See, I only have it in about that far. What's on the other side of my fingers? I'm going to stick the end of the key in, and then I'm going to pry up like this, and it's going to pop this back cover up. So put just the end of the key in there and then pry up like that, and it pushes that back cover up. Once it's started, go ahead and pull it the rest of the way off like that, and now we can see our battery right here, and this battery will just slide out of this holder like that. We'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up, and it'll just slide in that holder like that. Make sure that battery's slid all the way in the holder, and then we can pop our back cover on. Slide the emergency key in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.